Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Cherdack, President of Houston Regenerative Medicine. Patients often ask me what are the things that people should look for or find out about when choosing an appropriate stem cell or regenerative medicine clinic to have their treatment performed. So I'm going to tell you the top 5 things that you should ask or you should find out about before choosing a regenerative medicine stem cell clinic. The first thing to find out is who's performing the procedure. So you want to have a clinic that has a board-certified medical doctor who's doing the procedure, and that medical doctor should have experience doing guided injections. So that's an important thing, not a registered nurse, not a physician's assistant, but a board-certified medical doctor who's trained in orthopedics and injections doing the actual procedure. The second thing that you should look for when choosing a stem cell or regenerative medicine clinic is how are they evaluating your case. So all clinics evaluating your case for treatment should at least have images of the area that they're treating. So either x-rays or MRI should be reviewed by the medical doctor who's performing the procedure. If you don't have those images available, they should be able to order those for you so that those can be reviewed before talking about any type of treatment that you're going to receive from them. The third thing that you should look for, that's very important in a stem cell clinic particularly, is how they're performing the injections. So the injections need to be performed under ultrasound guidance. So that means that the doctor isn't just sticking the needle where he thinks it's supposed to go. It means that they're actually using ultrasound imaging to locate where the problem is, determine where the stem cell injection needs to go, and make sure that all of the material is going into the right place, because you can see all of those things on an ultrasound. So guided injections are a key thing to find out about when choosing a stem cell therapy clinic. Another factor, a fourth thing to find out about and ask questions about when choosing a stem cell therapy clinic is what types of stem cells are they using. So a really good quality stem cell clinic should be able to offer you using your own stem cells through extracting and isolate your own stem cells, whether it's from your bone marrow or from your fat. A clinic that can isolate your own stem cells is a high-level clinic with highly trained professionals. The clinic should also be able to give you other options for regenerative materials that can also be used to heal or repair the injury that you're treating. So those might be exosomes, they might be umbilical stem cells or other regenerative products that can be added from the outside to combine with your stem cell therapy, and to make sure that you have all these options available. Your own stem cells, or what are called autologous stem cells, or donor stem cells, and other what are called exogenous or outside the body products. Like I said, exosomes are a major one of those products. And then lastly, the thing that you should ask for with every clinic is what kind of follow-up care do you have available if you did not receive the outcome that you were anticipating. So first of all, no stem cell clinic should guarantee you results. What a good stem cell regenerative medicine clinic will do will tell you exactly what they think the probability of your result will be, whether it's 50% pain-free, 60, 70, 80% pain-free. And if you don't achieve those agreed upon results, that clinic should offer to you other treatments to try and get the result to where it was anticipated, whether that's an additional stem cell therapy procedure, or in what happens in cases and a lot of times in our clinic is we just add another booster shot of platelet-rich plasma, and that's usually enough to get the result that we were anticipating in the first place. So if you have any questions about anything that I've said, or want to find out more information about stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine, reach out to our clinic and one of our patient coordinators will be happy to answer all of your questions.